seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love. It will all come back to you in abundance. This is the law of nature. Nature is not a place to visit. Nature is home. Be thankful for what you have, and be rest assured that you will end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. So appreciate this moment. Appreciate the present moment. And lastly, be fully present in everything that you set your mind into. Fully present. This is my moment. Hey RealFam, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, hey, welcome. And I do consider staying because this is an amazing channel. We have fun here, we do amazing things. We are vlogging today. And of course, my regulars, I love and appreciate you. Thank you for constantly being a part of this family, watching, commenting, and just enjoying this life journey with me. Right, so it's a vlog. You're gonna be seeing all of it. It's gonna be an amazing day. I'm gonna take you through what's been happening, and of course give you a little bit of a tour of this beautiful place that I'm in. So we are at La Roca guest house in Bombela. So yeah, it's a beautiful place and I think you're gonna love it. So let me tell you what happened. So what had happened was I didn't have time to do my nails. So do you see this hair? So I did my own hair, so I didn't have enough time to actually put my nails. Well, it's not that difficult to actually get my nails done because it's basically stick-ons. As you can see, I just stick them like that with glue and then either put nail polish or leave them like that. And then I'm done. But I didn't have much time, so I'm enjoying this morning and I am, well, basically doing my nails. And yeah, the view is amazing. The birds, oh, it's beautiful. So yeah. Hey RealFam, so I'm taking you on a tour of La Roca guest house. Oh, this is a cute statue. It's a cute statue. So, as you can see, you know me in greens, guys. You know me in greens. This is the beauty of it all. Look at those hiding there. Hello, sweeties. How cute. All right, so this is like, it's towards the gate actually, so let me show you the entrance. So that's the gate right there, and you will see all of this. That's the reception there. This is the back. All right, let's go back. Okay, palm trees, guys, palm trees. Look how gorgeous. Isn't she lovely? I'm gonna take a picture there. I'm gonna take a pic there. Okay, let's do that now. I'll show you the other side. This is the kitchen. So the pool side is actually next to the kitchen where we had our breakfast. As you can see, you also get to enjoy this beautiful view. How's that? Huh? Beautiful view. Okay. All right, so this is, look at that. Look at those beautiful roses, flowers. This is like a fireplace. So, you know, when you have like it, when you're here with friends or family, you can chill around, make fire there. Oh, guys, this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. How cute. Okay. I've been seeing people going down there. I want to see what's happening, so I'm going to show you quickly. The view is amazing, guys. I can tell you that. You can come and relax here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Peaceful. This is so peaceful. So if you know me, you should know Grace, my plant. Look at that. That's Grace's family. That's Grace's family. Oh, sorry, man. Look how cute, guys. Everywhere you go, palm trees. I actually need this plant in my house. Hey, real fam. Oh, how beautiful is this place, guys? Oh wow, I'm still enjoying this place. Is amazing. It's so peaceful. Flowers everywhere, as you can see, just around me. And you know, that is what I really enjoy the most, being surrounded by nature. Beautiful. I present to you the birthday guy. He's got nothing to say. Happy birthday, my husband. Do you love the place?
No, I don't like it one bit. I love it.
Guys, get married and you will experience this. Get married. You will experience this. I mean, you know that guy, ne, from TikTok who's always... And he's the biggest fan. One day you will see him going all the way. So guys, that's the birthday guy. He is not a vlogger, he is not a YouTuber, but you know, the queen herself loves doing all the things. So whether he likes it or he doesn't or he doesn't, we're gonna do it all. We're gonna do it all. You know how we do it.
We're gonna do it all. We're gonna do it all.
You know how we roll. We celebrate. Every moment is special, and we make it count. That's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
You know. Okay, I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, I guess it works, hey? Does it work? Someone looks ugly. My husband is not ugly, but this one right here, I don't know who he is. Who are you?
I'm your husband.
I know, sorry. Now you're my husband. So yeah. What are you doing?
Bye bye.
Baby,
Private-
Zekete.
Private time, no.
Zekete.
No, bye bye.
Zekete. On your
Bye-bye.
birthday.
No,
Zekete.
Bye-bye.
Zekete.
no,
Zekete.
no,
Zekete.
no,
Zekete. Zekete.
no. Bye bye.
Zekete. Zekete.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Zekete. So guys, you see, right? This is the place.